So this is the ribbon cutting for our new Joseph M. Gallagher building. It is so great to be here and celebrate a new building where great things are already taking place, but just the innovation and the potential of what can happen for this community in the future is just incredible. And now they have this opportunity to do so much more, and they deserve it.
We're blessed to have a brand new building. My own philosophy when it comes to education is experience and exposure. And these kids now are getting experience and exposures that they wouldn't get in a smaller school. They're so blessed to be here. We're all great to be here. And we want to keep on bringing opportunities to these young ones.
This building is more than just about bricks and mortars. This is about opportunity. This is about hope. And this is about making sure that we have a high quality of education, not only in this neighborhood, but across the entire city of Cleveland.
I can't help but be filled with hope and optimism. The future is bright because of the people in this room, and most especially the young people who will walk these halls today and who will walk them in future years.
We expect great things from all of you as you go forward because you truly are our future.
You are such a special school for all of us who live in this community around you. So thank you so much for all the joy that you bring us.
You guys like your new building? Yeah. The school districts up here are doing it right. You guys figured out how to build buildings. You're figuring out how to teach students and use your dollars effectively. We need to use these stories to tell your stories down in Columbus to make sure you're getting the resources you need so we can continue to build quality education all over the state.
Today is a celebration. I'm so proud of this community. Together, we will ensure that not only you continue to have a great education, but every scholar in the city of Cleveland has a bright future.
Congratulations to our Joseph M. Gallagher community, and welcome to your new school.